Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Shady. It's so nice to meet you. It's been a long time. I'm sorry I've been away so long. My name is...
Hello, this is the Science Channel with Mackenzie and
Natalie Lovett, and today we're going to be talking about motion forces, so be sure to stay tuned.
A reference point is a stationary object used for comparison to determine if something has moved. As you can see, the trampoline is the reference point, and Mackenzie is the object moving. Because the trampoline is not moving, Mackenzie is.
Distance is a measurement between 2 points. You can measure the distance between these 2 poles using this white line.
The distance traveled divided by the time interval on which motion occurred. Mackenzie just ran 12 feet in 5 seconds. To find her speed, you would divide 12 by 5.
Natalie is walking towards the tree. To find her velocity, you would take the distance of how far she walked divided by the time it took her to walk there with the direction.
Acceleration is the rate at which velocity changes over time. An object accelerates if its speed, direction, or both change. Mackenzie is keeping a constant speed, but if she increases it, it is accelerating.
Momentum refers to moving things. It is a product of the mass of an object and its velocity. Momentum is why the driver of the car applies the brake to stop the car rather than just taking his foot off the accelerator. The car has gathered momentum and will continue to move forward after the driver stops accelerating it. The greater the mass of the object, the more the momentum.
Yeah, man. Hey, Polo, I ain't ready for this one.
Newton's first law says an object at rest remains at rest. It says that an object in motion maintains the motion and keeps its velocity unless it experiences an unbalanced force. Newton's second law said the unbalanced force acting on the object equals the object's mass times acceleration.
Would be Newton's third law. For every action, there is an opposite reaction force. The action would be throwing the ball in the air. The reaction would be the ball coming back down.
Static friction occurs when the two objects are not moving relative to each other. A car has a tremendous amount of static friction, which makes it very difficult to try to push a stopped car into motion.
Kinetic friction is when two objects are rubbing against each other. The resistance felt when pushing a book across a desk is an example of kinetic friction.
Fluid friction is friction caused by an object that's moving in something engulfed by a fluid. The duck is moving through water.
Welcome back! It's Natalie and Mackenzie. Thanks for tuning in on our science adventure. But I have another question. What are aerodynamics?
Well, Natalie, aerodynamics is a branch of dynamics concerned with studying the motion of air, particularly when it interacts with a moving object.
Oh, so that's why transportation such as airplanes and cars are made aerodynamic so they can move more easily throughout the air.
Yes.
Well, thanks. I learned a lot today. Thanks for tuning in with us.
Bye.
Bye.
I ain't happy, I'm feeling glad I got sunshine in a bag. I'm useless, but not for long, the future is coming on. I ain't happy,